Hello everyone, welcome to our vocabulary session day 2, and today our new word is going to be this one, A-B-A-C-K. How do you pronounce it? A back. And first A short a sound, and second A just like A in bat, back, a back. And what does it mean? Yeah, to be very shocked or surprised. I think most of you are familiar with this word. Just let us revise this once again through these examples. I would like to share this word today with you. Now, you might have experienced many situations and you might have felt shock or sudden surprise when you heard any particular news or when you faced any particular situation. And in our day-to-day life also, we too face many situations, and some situations they make us feel shocked, and and here we have number of examples, and just here what we have to do and how we understand this word today is only through imagining a few situations. Just imagine a situation that there are two friends in a room and they work for a company, and one friend does not know anything about her roommate and her developments in professional and her working details also. But suddenly that friend revealed that she got a chance to work abroad. And what would be the reaction of her roommate? Yeah, she felt shocked. She was taken aback by that news when she told her that she was selected. Okay, so in this way we can say she is taken aback when her friend tells her that she got a chance to work abroad. Really, she is taken aback. She is taken. Just imagine another situation that there are two friends, Ravi and Suresh. Here, Suresh always used to tell to his friend that he would never marry and he wanted to be alone. But later he revealed that yes, he was going to marry soon. So automatically what would be his friend's reaction, Ravi's reaction? Yes, he was taken aback by his news. Okay, so he was taken aback when he heard his friend's marriage news. He felt sudden surprise. He was shocked to hear his friend's marriage news. Next, the amount paid to his work by manager takes him back. Here just let us imagine a situation. There was a boy named Kiran and he works very hard, and really, but always his manager used to give him very low salary previously, but later his manager paid him a lot. There was a sudden hike in his salary, so he was taken aback. How would be his reaction, Kiran's reaction? Yeah, he was taken aback because it was unexpected news to him. So, the amount paid to his work by his manager takes him aback. Next, he was really taken aback by how motherly she was and her concern. Here, just imagine the situation that one of just a person named Ravi. He went to his friend's house. His friend was not there. His mother received him and he treated with motherly affection. And really he was taken aback how motherly she was, and how the type of concern she showed towards him. So he was taken aback. He was really taken aback by how motherly she was and her concern. Next, I was a little taken aback when I heard the news that there would be only internal assessment. Generally, it's quite common experience nowadays during this COVID season especially. So here, generally, even the days are normal. Just let us imagine the situation, the days are normal as usual and everything is fine. But if there is a news that there will be only internal assessment to get over the exams, how do we feel? Yeah, we feel astonished. Yes, the news, we will be taken aback when we hear that news. Okay, so here I was a little taken aback when I heard that news there would be only internal assessment. Okay, through these examples, we can understand the meaning of this word aback. Aback means to be very surprised or shocked. Try to use this word in your day-to-day conversation. Whenever you feel surprised, whenever you feel shocked, you can use really I was taken aback when I heard that news. Really I was taken aback when I saw that incident. Likewise, you can use your friend's experiences also. Oh, he was taken aback when his mother told him so and so. She was taken aback when she heard the news from her father. Likewise, so we can use this word in our day-to-day conversation. So don't forget to use this word. And tomorrow we can go for another word. Thank you very much. Keep on watching.